Hello friends, welcome to Home Sai Cooking Classes, and this is Chef Seema Gaware Patil from Nasik. Today I have launched a very healthy course, and it's a course of whole wheat cakes with egg. So in this course I have not used any maida or refined sugar. So all the cakes are very healthy and amazing. So let's see what are the variety you are going to learn in this course. So this is Zucchini chocolate cake. So in today's class we have not used any refined maida or refined sugar. All the cakes are made from whole wheat flour and jaggery. And this is strawberry atta cake. So beside this course we have many more courses in tea time cake which are eggless, such as healthy cake which is totally eggless, gluten free, diabetic. Then we have Iyengar bakery eggless cake, Christmas cake. Then we have tea time cake with maida also. Okay, then this is banana walnut cake. All these cakes are super moist and amazing in taste. So this is chocolate atta cake. In today's class I will provide you recipe like 500 gram, 1 kg recipe, so that if you are selling these cake for commercial purpose, then it's easy to work on it. Then this is pistachio nutty cake. And just see the texture of all the cake. It's so superb and so moist. Then this is dates and carrot cake. And then this is apple atta cake. We have lakhs of students from India and all over world who have joined our courses, and after joining our courses they have started their small business from home and they are earning good money. And beside these online courses we have our own brand of masala and premixes, that is Urban Foods. So if you are interested to buy our product of all masala and premixes, so please check the description box where I have given you the buying link. Okay, and even I have given you the contact number. And even if you want to buy these all products in bulk also, you can contact and buy all the products in bulk. So what are you waiting for? Just pick up your phone, dial our number and join your online course anytime, any place and anywhere. So let's see who will be the 2 lucky winners for this week. So when you join our any online course, you will get recipe PDF and video for lifetime access. Then you will get the certificate, and if you are having any doubts or query, you can contact us and solve your all queries. So in this way you can join our online course anytime, any place and from anywhere. So first lucky winner is Frutti Yadav and second is Sampada Chaugule. So congratulations both lucky winner. You can claim your free online course by contacting on below numbers. So see you next week with a new class, but before that, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.